Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm back with the Python programs. We have a task to print this kind of pattern, and you can see this is a bit difficult pattern to print, and it seems like a difficult pattern. Like there is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and it's like this pattern is going like in the first line we have only 1, in the second line we have 2 digits, but the 2 successive digits after 1, right? Well, like 2 and 3. And in the third line we have 3 digits, but like 4, 5, 6, and the fourth line then 7, 8, 9, 10. So how this is gonna work, I'm gonna teach you step by step, so keep watching the video till the end, and please subscribe to our channel if you are a new viewer, and share it with your friends. So let's get started. So the first thing first, I have to just ask the number of lines from the user. So I have taken the number of lines from the user, and what I'm gonna do is that I have to just apply the for loop. And how does this for loop will gonna work? I'm just running this for loop till the number of lines. So if the number of lines are 8, then it will gonna run till the 8. And so this loop, what this loop will gonna do, this loop will keep track of the number of lines, like first, second, third, fourth, fifth, like it will gonna keep track of the number of lines. And in order to print the numbers, like 1 in the first line, 2, 3 in the second line, 4, 5, 6 in the third line. In order to print these numbers, we have to introduce a new for loop. So I'm going to apply a second loop, that is the nested loop. And what this nested loop will gonna proceed like I into 1 into I plus 1. And this nested loop is responsible for printing the numbers in those lines. So what is gonna print? And I have to just start it with the 1, like A I'm assigning to the 1. I'm assigning A till the 1. So it will first gonna print 1, and I'm using end, and I have just put this print in order to proceed into the next line. So how this loop will gonna work? So first of all, the first loop will keep track of the number of lines, as I have said before. The second loop is responsible for keep track of the numbers. So first, if it's the first line, then this J will gonna print like in the first line it will gonna print A one time. Then this A will gonna increment. So I have just forgot to increment it. So it will gonna increment like this. So A will gonna increment after the printing of the A. Like it will gonna print A. Like if A is 1, then it will gonna print 1, and then A will be increased to 1, and 1 plus 1, 2. In the second iteration, then this 2 will gonna print, and this second iteration, this loop will gonna run 2 times, and then this 2 will gonna increment into 1 into 3, right? In the third iteration, in the third line, when this line will gonna get into the third line, then this loop will run 3 times. So in the first iteration, this A will be 3, and then it will gonna increment to 4, then is A will print 4, and then it will gonna increment into 5, then A will become 5. So this loop will then terminate. So as this and so on. So this loop will proceed till the given number of lines, right? And this print, what does this print do? This print do like I'm using this print out of this for loop in order to proceed into the next line, right? So if I don't apply this print, then it will gonna print in the same line, all the digits in the same line, and it will never gonna come into the next line. So this is the basic structure of this code, and let's run this. So if I'm writing, the number of lines here is like 6. So you can see this will gonna print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Like in the first line, it has printed the 1. In the second line, it has printed 2 digits like 2 and 3. Third line, it has printed 4, 5, 6 like 3 digits. So this is the required output that we need in this question, this problem. So I hope you understand this. If you have any questions and queries, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.